test riding the Indian Springfield Dark Horse. This has got some, they might be 14-inch apes on it or something. These are huge. Longer apes on it, which is actually pretty cool looking. It feels really good too. I mean, you're definitely, arms are way up there, so I'm not sure how tiring it would get, but this bike sounds good and it pulls good and it looks badass. I'll put some specs for this bike up here on the video. But yeah, this is it's a nice bike. Alright, so a couple things this has. It has the driving lights, it looks like, on the front, the aforementioned longer ape hangers, and it sounds like it's got some exhaust work done too, because this sounds better than I thought they did stock. So yeah, there's a list of accessories here on the tank. I will try to get a good shot of that. Looks like it's about $3,000 worth of stuff added to this bike. It rides good, it's comfortable, and I'm actually leaning towards this if I get a bagger. I like the open feel. You can put music and GPS in your helmet and phone. But you still have that in your face look and also feel. Got that wind coming in. Got a couple friends that have these as well. It's got a nice sound to it, and it's really got some pull. Another cool feature on these is that they do have cruise control over here, so you can get to this speed you want. And it'll just keep on cruising. So when your throttle hand gets tired, you can just take it off a little bit, stretch it out. So there's probably a few things that would change on this bike if I were to get one, but not a whole lot, I don't think. I say that every time, and then I end up customizing the crap out of everything I buy. But that looks good as it is. It rides really good as it is. This one's got the central locking bags, which is nice, and they're the hard bags. And it's there's no key, it's just a key fob. So I got it in your pocket, it'll start. Not in your pocket, it won't start. So the Dark Horse model has the 116 in it. This one's just stock 116. I don't think it's been cammed or anything. Got a loose mirror. Whenever I get on it, this mirror wants to move. Alright, so we're pulling in with the Indian Springfield Dark Horse. Actually, I might have to ride this again. This is fun. So I like this one. This is definitely on my short list of things to add to the messy garage. Got to just see if I'm all about that bagger life at this point in my life yet. But this would definitely be cool, especially for long trips. I'll get a shot. I'll add it up here right now while I'm babbling on, and put the specs and any add-ons this beast has. I'll put it in the video. So more bike reviews, more DIY coming, so like and subscribe, and catch you on the next one. Thanks.